Thank you, Chairman. And thank you to all my colleagues today and also the press for covering this very important issue. This ruling is a green light for racial profiling. Ultimately, that means harassment of law-abiding people, including U.S. citizens. The ruling says basically that law enforcement can treat entire communities of people as suspects, not because of what they've done, but because of the color of their skin, where they work, how they speak English, how they sound. This is not, quote unquote, reasonable suspicion. It's prejudice and it's racism that's being legalized. The court made this sweeping change on what's called its shadow docket. No full hearing, no transparency. The credibility of the Supreme Court has even been brought up by other judges, both Republican and Democratic appointees, who have noted that the Supreme Court is increasingly unwilling to explain itself when it overturns lower court rulings. The impacts of this ruling are not abstract. They're very real, and they gut the Fourth Amendment. And we're seeing the impacts right now. Every single American, regardless of who you are, should be concerned by this. Families will continue to fear going to work, kids will fear going to school, and hardworking folks who contribute to our economy, our communities, and our country will hide and step back from public life just to stay safe. I have heard from so many people all over San Antonio, all over Texas, and different parts of the country, in immigrant communities, and also employers, who have said that even U.S. citizens, even legal permanent residents, are now frightened to show up for work, frightened to send their kids to school. So we demand clear limits on law enforcement power, real oversight, and a commitment to the notion that we see individuals, not harmful and racist stereotypes, when we look at Latinos and others in this country. We join Justice Sotomayor, Kagan, and Brown Jackson in saying, I dissent. I dissent to attacks on the Fourth Amendment, individual liberties, and our democracy.